Hello, welcome to domagettyielts.com IELTS Speaking Part 1 video lessons. Today's topic is math. As you can see, two formulas or an equation or formula. I'm not sure what the difference is anymore. And obviously notation, mathematical notation. Notation just means symbols that are used in math. Okay, defining the word math. First thing is, maths is a study of topics such as quantity, structure, space, and change. It is an uncountable noun, so if you talk about math, you say it. You don't say they or them. Now, in the UK, where I am from, we use the word maths. So for me, as an English person, it's very strange when I hear the word maths, but the two countries have different words. So sometimes when I'm writing, you may see the word maths. It's because that's what I refer to. I try to keep to the word used in the question, but both words are acceptable. Calculations, operations to get an answer, working things out, phrasal verb, same thing, to get an answer. A calculator, we know. A subject is a branch of knowledge, something that's taught in school or taught university. Maths, history, geography, chemistry, music, all of those are subjects. To get stuck on something means you can't find the answer. To be unable to figure something out means the same thing. An equation is a kind of problem, just like you saw on the introduction. It's a problem that needs to be fixed. Trigonometry is another topic within maths. It's to do with triangles, angles. You've seen a triangle and the different sides. That's trigonometry. A problem, something that needs to be solved. Excuse me. And solve is a synonym for the word answer, fix, or resolve. So, answering the question, you know the format: answer, reason, extra information. Are girls generally good at mathematics? Do you often use a calculator? Do you think it's difficult to learn mathematics well? Do you think mathematics is important? Okay, so mathematics is the long, complete name. Math or maths is the shortened name, as you can see. So, are girls generally good at mathematics? Some, the same as boys. Yes, they are. Not at all. Again, so yes, no question always begins with are or do or have, then, and a modal verb. And then you know that it's, sorry, I'll start again. If the question begins with are, do, have, or any kind of modal verb like can, should, will, it's a yes, no question. But again, we don't want to use yes, no unless we have to. Okay, I will answer first one. Some. I think both sexes are the same when it comes to maths. There are more boys who study the subject at school or university, but that does not mean girls are not capable. Definitions under here, so look at this yourself, stop the video. Do you use a calculator? Again, I've used frequency adverbs. Always, often, sometimes, never. You don't have to use these, but these are common ways to answer. Again, it's a yes-no question because we've got the word here, often. Let's see. Never. I like to work things out in my head. I'm quite good at mental arithmetic, which is an advantage. I believe that it keeps my mind active and doesn't waste all of those years of study. Do you think it's difficult to learn mathematics well? For some people, yes, it depends. Not at all. Okay, let's use it depends. It depends on what your aims are. If you're going on to academia or to a job where it is an essential part of your duties, then people who do this won't find it troublesome. What that means is if you're going to become a maths student, a professor, or a program or something where maths is very important, you've got to have that mathematical brain naturally. Yes. Again, here, one of the other answers says, for some people, it comes naturally. Now, for someone who, for someone who has, I'll start again. For someone who has an innate ability for maths, it means it comes naturally to them, then they might go into a career in an academic setting, in a science or research field or company where maths is a huge part of their job. Only people who enjoy maths or find it easy will go into work like this. Someone who finds maths incredibly difficult will not want a job using maths every day. So again, it suits people. That's why I've said those people who don't find it troublesome. You find it easy, you do it. Do you think mathematics is important? Absolutely. Fairly. Basic skills are. We don't need it. Let's say basic skills. Basic skills are good to know, but we don't need to learn complex things like trigonometry or calculus unless we're going to have a career where these are essential. Okay, short videos, as I always say. Please subscribe. More will be made. More subscribers we have, the more we will make. The more videos, not subscribers, the more videos we will make. Practice the questions, stop the video, look at answers that suit you. There's a whole range of answers for each question. Find one that's more suitable for you. If it's more suitable for you, you will be able to answer it more easily. And also try and study a little bit about the subject of maths. Read something about it, just so you're a bit more up to date on how to answer the questions. If you can't think of answers, please use our answers. And please visit our site. We have two websites. We have Do Me Get It IELTS, which has lots of regular IELTS information. And we also have our courses site, which we provide online courses with individual classes and video tuition. It's not a tutor-led class, as in videos of myself, doing lessons. It's a written online course with videos and quizzes interspersed. If you take a look at the sites, you will see some of the lessons are free. So you can just go onto the website, look at one or two of the introductory lessons and see if you would find the course suitable. If you do, then you can register and pay for your class. The prices are very good, very competitive, I like to think. So take a look. And thank you once more, and see you in the next video.